good opportunity to learn from my mistakes. Here's what's been going on. Getting ready to get a new truck, so I've been driving a truck. You know how people say, hey, I'm gonna drive my truck till the wheels fall off? Check out this tire right here. So here's what happened. Leaf spring broke while I was driving. It came out, didn't realize what was going on. Rubbed up against the tire, rubbed the tire to the metal. And I got a flat tire, pulled off, discovered what was going on. Here's some other things I've discovered since I've been here. So first off, jacks that come with vehicles suck. So Jennifer brought me my good jack. I've got it secured with the other jacks to make sure it doesn't fall on me while I'm here. Very fortunate that I had this parking lot to pull into. The initial jack that came with the vehicle, Chevy Silverado, has the the used tire, the spare tire, which that worked pretty well. It actually surprised me. Probably should have washed that out more often. Probably need to do a better job of cleaning out underneath my truck to make sure that's not an issue in the future. So having a jack on hand would be good. Having some sort of tool. I talk about this tool all the time. This is a destruction tool. I use it for all sorts of things. This is a Stanley Fat Max Extreme. But the spare tire is good. We've got air in it. Let me see the name of this business. Jeffersonville Mall in Montgomery County, Kentucky. The owner here has been super nice. If you like coming to malls and looking at used furniture and all that sort of stuff, check this guy out because he's been super friendly to me. He let me access his air, so I didn't have to use my air pump. My air pump that I carry with me all the time, plugged it up, started filling up the tire, ran out of battery about 3 minutes into getting 8 pounds of pressure into the spare. But some things I should do moving forward, you should do moving forward. Verify that your spare is good. Make sure that your battery's up on the air pumps that you carry in your vehicle. And in this case, I take my truck off-road every day. That's why I'm out doing stuff in the woods. So I need to do a better job of cleaning up underneath here and checking and not missing maintenance like this. So learn from my mistakes. We'll get her fixed though. Come on, join in. Let's learn together.